sensor.
All right, we're still testing it. Kenny has just turned on the car now. Here he goes to test it.
We're getting around 14 volts. Oh, it keeps moving. Okay. So that's a pretty consistent reading of about 0.935 volts.
Alright, today we're testing the manifold absolute pressure, and Kenny has just turned on the car, or just turned on the key on, and right now he's about to test it.
So I'm sticking the positive thing onto the T-pin, and we're getting about 2.92 volts from the reading.
Alright, today we're testing the manifold absolute pressure, and Kenny has just turned on the car, or just turned on the key on, and right now he's about to test it.
So I'm sticking the positive thing onto the T-pin, and we're getting about 2.92 volts from the reading. So the map sensor on my vehicle, it's on the right side of the engine block. It's right next to the throttle position sensor. We use this paper to help identify where the map sensor was and how not to confuse it with the IAT sensor. So the map sensor has 3 different wires. The middle wire, which is red and green, that's the wire that we use to T-pin. If you have problems identifying where the map sensor is, there's a blue label on the Honda Civics that identifies where that might be at. There's also, on my Honda Civic, we have wiring diagrams that we use for us to help find where the map sensor is. And as you can see, that's our map sensor. It says it's on the left side of the engine, and it follows all the way up to here. And then we use zoom in to find out what the colors were, and that middle one, green-red, that is the one that we use to back probe.
Now the engine will be revved at 2,500 RPM.
So after we tested today, what is in conclusion is that the map sensor determines the load on the vehicle and can affect your fuel economy. And for an automatic transmission, it also affects your shifting and your downshifting.